Hello everyone. This time I'm using the how to use the calendar and date and time. So I import the calendar. This is the library calendar. It's working. Now second is I pass the calendar dot month where I pass the 2023 and 11 is 11th is month November and this is the year. So run it show you November month calendar. Next, I want to see the 2024 calendar. So that's why I am not given any month and day. Only print the calendar dot calendar and where I pass the 2024. So it show you 20, next year calendar Jan Feb Mar March April May June July August. This is the all to November December. Next is I import the date and time. So this library run. Next I'm taking the variable today where I pass the date and time dot date and time dot today because I want to today date and print the today. This is the date time and dot date time is a inbuilt function. So it because today date is 20 and that time 23:05 and this 23 means the time is 11 p.m. 5 second sorry 5 minute and 7 seconds. So this is the time. Next, I want to see the yesterday date. So I am taking the variable name where I pass the today date minus date and time because day is the yesterday is the past day. So we give the minus and date and time dot date and time where I time delta and this is also the inbuilt function where I pass the days is equal to 1 then print the variable name. So you can see the yesterday was the 19 date is 19 and it show the time is same. Next the tomorrow date where I pass the take a variable where today give the today plus date and time then dot time delta. I am using the plus symbol because it's a coming day, so that's why plus and the passing days used by minus and then time delta and days is equal to pass where I pass the variable. So tomorrow will be 21 and time is same. Next I want to see the coming after 10 days what is the date and time. So after 10 days is the t is a variable name today plus because is the coming days, so that's why plus sign dot time delta and days is equal to 10 because I want to see the days 10 days. There I am using only one days, so that's why I'm giving the 10 one and there I am want to see the coming after 10 days what is the date. So after 10 days the date is 30 because today is 20 and then if we count that it gives the 30. So this is the program where I am using the calendar and date and time. Hope you like it. Thank you.
Please subscribe the channel.